Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. If you're new here, my name is Emily and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing a look at the Ovira Pain Relief Period Kit. I'm going to be giving a full review, pros, cons, and my honest opinion about this period pain device. I have endometriosis. If you want to know a little bit more about my endometriosis diagnosis story, I do have a full YouTube video up about that. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find that video. Since my surgery, my symptoms, especially my pain, has been a lot better, but the second and third day of my period is so challenging and it's still so painful, and I'm always looking for more natural ways to treat my pain. I have a lot of other chronic pain conditions too, so I'm always trying to find things that I can do that's not just taking pain relief like painkillers and things like that. I'm looking for other alternative options, including even just my diet. So this product really appealed to me because there's no drugs involved. It's a natural device that you can use and you can take it out with you wherever you go. It's extremely portable. Back in the summer, my friend actually gifted me the period pain relief kit. It was super sweet of her. And I'm very excited to review this for you guys. So if you want to hear a full review of the Ovira Period Pain Relief Kit, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm enjoying organic the skinny from DAVIDsTEA. This is an oolong tea, has some ginger in it. So when it's that time of the month especially, I love this tea, but I also enjoy it like pretty much every single day. It is so delicious. Anyway, without further ado, let's head into today's video. Virtual cheers and let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, just in case you don't have a lot of time, I'm going to tell you my top 5 things that you need to know about the Ovira. So number 1, does it help with period pain or endometriosis pain? And the answer is yes to both. This definitely 100% helps with your period pain and endometriosis pain. Number 2, this product is worth the price 100%. If you suffer from period pain or endometriosis, this is a product that you are going to be reaching for and you're going to find so helpful. It is well worth the price. It is discreet. You can wear it to work, on errands, at home. It is wonderful. It's very lightweight. So it's definitely one that is just, it's such going to be part of your everyday routine. 3, this is an item that you do need to get replacements for, which are the adhesives that go, they call them the love handles that you're going to add onto the device. This is something you're going to want to replace every couple of months. I mean, it depends on how often you use it and how long it's going to last on your own skin. 4 is a con, depending if you have skin sensitivities. So I do have sensitive skin, and this is something I'm going to go into a little bit more detail later in the video. But I don't know if I would recommend this product if you do have sensitive skin, because for me, I do get a rash if you're hoping to wear this, you know, because the battery power on this is great. This isn't something I can wear for an extended period of time. So I usually wear it for an hour and then I need to take a break for a couple hours and then I'll go and put it on again. So that might not be an ideal product if you do have sensitive skin. So it's something to take a look at. On Ovira's website, they do say that this product is for sensitive skin, that it is designed to help. I don't know about, for me, just my skin just seems extra sensitive. 5, as mentioned before, this battery is great. It lasts a long period of time, as well as it being discreet, and it is an amazing product. They have a wonderful Instagram account too. Definitely recommend checking their Instagram out. And that's kind of like a quick, in the nutshell, go, just to give you guys some answers. But now we're going to head into a full overview of the functions of the device and how the Ovira works. So, packaging wise, this is what my Ovira came in. It was really well packaged, has this beautiful little leaflet that comes with it, and then it also came with a sweet little card that my friend got me. The box itself says Ovira on it. You can probably see that here. It's a lot of light here, but you can see that the back. When you open it up, this is where you would have found your Ovira device in here. And then in here, it has all the information that you might need to know. So that's in here. And this is just it's a lovely box. I think this would make a great Christmas gift if you have a friend that has endometriosis or period pain. I mean, I think it's a really thoughtful gift because it's not something that you would expect to receive, but you will use it all the time, and it is just wonderful. They're currently on sale when I'm filming this. They're having a Black Friday promotion too, which this amazing deal, like to actually save on it. So you could definitely check it out. The Black Friday sale is still going on by the time I post this video. Basically, how the Ovira period pain relief device works is it uses pulse therapy, much like a TENS machine, to stop pain signals from traveling to your brain. And that is what's going to give you instant relief from the period cramps. So this is not just for your stomach. You can use this also on your back for back pain. It is super lightweight and wearable. It's clinically tested. It is safe, silent, and discreet. And what is also great about it is that you can increase or decrease the intensity of the pulse. So if it gets too much for you or if you get too used to it, you can increase it or decrease it as needed. Another cool function of the Ovira, it comes with this little pad that you can put, it's kind of like a plastic material, and this is what you can store your Ovira on. So to do the Ovira, you hold it for a few seconds to turn it on, and you know it is on when the little light goes on, which you can see right here, and then it doesn't do anything right away. So you can press the plus or minus sign to your preferred amount. And at some point, your body might even get used to the tingling feeling that you have, like the movement of it. So you might want to increase it, you know, after 20 minutes or 30 minutes, kind of to go with your pain, like length and how much you need. So you can press the little plus. I do it at least, I think, I don't even know how many I did it there, maybe 5 or 6. And then sometimes I even go up even higher. And then to turn it off, you can just hold the power button to turn it off. You can also lower the minus and then turn it off too, depending on your preference. Here I'm going to share with you how I put on my Ovira. So I start with finding my target area, so where the pain is the worst, and I'll insert the love handle onto that targeted area, and then I'll put the other one here. As mentioned, you can also put this on your back too if you want. Then I find the intensity that works the best for my pain. Often I feel like going down both my legs. It's amazing. And then I find a place to put it. My preferred place tends to be on the waistline of my pants, or depending on what I want, a skirt, wherever is going to be the most discreet. For this video, I'm filming this while on my period, so I have super endo belly. I'm very bloated and in pain. I wouldn't normally wear a crop top for myself personally while on my period, but I wanted you guys to get a good sense of the placement of the Ovira while it's on. As mentioned before, you will need to have replacements for your Ovira, so that includes the love handles and the adhesive that goes onto the pads themselves. It's very easy to order on the website too, plus when they have sales, it's a great time to stock up on them. And then here is a look at the love handle replacement. And they're awesome. So you can kind of take a little look at here. Now, this is the thing that is irritating to my skin, and I'll go into some more detail on that now. All right, you guys, so it's been about an hour since I have worn my Ovira, and I'm starting to notice the itchiness. I find I can only really wear this for an hour, and then I need about like a couple-hour break from it just for my skin to calm down again, which is why I'm saying this can be a pro, or like not a pro, it can be a con if you do have sensitive skin, because ideally you'd love to wear this all the time. Like if I could leave this on all the time, 100% I would. It's so helpful, but I'm just going to show you how I take it off. So I don't know if it's showing the rash. Feel the itchiness. You can hopefully maybe see a little bit of the redness there. So you guys can kind of see. So for me, I would love if they could come out with something else for my sensitive skin, because I love this product so much, but this is hard, because as you guys can see, it's like not very comfortable. After taking it off, I put the plastic back onto the love handles. Then I just store it, and I wait a couple hours and put it on again. And in the meantime, I go in with my some days heat pad. Also, like, I guess this depends where you are. If you're at work, you may not feel comfortable putting this on. It's not as discreet, definitely. You do need a microwave to warm it up. I have a full review on the some days heat pad. It's great. I have on the back, it says Endo Warrior. You might be able to spot that. I just go and I warm this up, and I put it on here, and I get a little bit of heat time as well. So for me, it works really well. I use the Ovira for a bit, then I transfer the heat, go back to Ovira. So that's kind of how I get around it, and I make it work for, you know, a day in the life with having, you know, period pain and things like that. Also with the Ovira, they have a full 100-day warranty. So if you're not happy with the product, if it's not working for you, if you have sensitive skin like me and it's not working out, after 100 days, like if you're not happy with the product, you can contact them, let them know, and they'll do a full return for you, which I think is amazing that Ovira offers that. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my review of the Ovira Period Pain Relief Kit. as mentioned, I definitely recommend this kit 100% if you have period pain or endometriosis. Now, if you do have sensitive skin like me, this is going to be really ultimately up to you, because obviously you do not want to have a rash or be irritated like on top of having period pain. So that's definitely something to keep in note. For me, how I've managed it, because I like the benefit I get from this is insane. It is so helpful. I find just kind of using it throughout the day and taking breaks from it really does help me. It just gives relief. That's a trade-off for me. For me, it's worth it, but I think for other people who have sensitive skin, it might just be like a nope, I cannot do it. If you guys do have any other questions about the Ovira that I did not answer in this video, please let me know down below in the description bar of this video. I will definitely reply back and give you my honest thoughts about it. And yeah, anyway, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. I would love to do more chronic pain and endometriosis type videos, so it really helps me know what you guys are enjoying on my channel. So feel free to give me a like if you enjoyed this and if you found it helpful. If you do have endometriosis or period pain, chronic pain, I'm thinking of you. I'm sending you the biggest hug. I know it's really tough sometimes with having invisible illness or invisible illnesses, and I just want you to know that I see you and you're amazing, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And anyone else who's watching, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day too. Virtual cheers, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys.